The 2026 Yamaha Tricity 300 features significant improvements, making it the world's first production scooter equipped with an airbag system. The body design is sharper and sportier, with triple LED side lights and a new LED taillight. The under-seat storage capacity reaches 45 liters, enough to accommodate 2 full-face helmets. Developed in collaboration with Autoliv, the airbag is located at the front and is designed to deploy in the event of a severe frontal impact to protect the rider. The stand assist system also allows the motorcycle to remain upright when stopped, without the need to put the feet down. The engine remains based on Blue Core, but has been adjusted to be more environmentally friendly and efficient. The 292cc single-cylinder, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled SO8C engine has a maximum power of 28 PS at 250 revolutions per minute, maximum torque of 29 Nm at 750 revolutions per minute, V-belt automatic transmission, CVT. This 3-wheeled scooter still relies on leaning multi-wheel technology for high stability, but now comes with Euro 5+ emission standards and more advanced safety features. It has a seat height of 795 millimeters and weighs approximately 239 kilograms. It also features a smart key system and parking brake. It is now available in 3 color options: milk white, zen green, and power gray. It is equipped with cornering ABS, traction control, and a foot brake pedal that simultaneously activates the combined braking system, UBS. The new instrument panel features a 4.2-inch color TFT display that supports free Garmin navigation and smartphone connectivity via the MyRide app, along with a separate 2.8-inch LCD display.